Today we have a 1970 Mustang Convertible with a power top. Really nice 302 V8 motor with power steering, power brakes, and we're going to take a look at it today. Paint is very excellent on the car. Really looks good. Shines good. Car runs and drives excellent. The interior is really good on the car. All new seat cushions in the car, and really spent a lot of time and a lot of hard work getting the car ready to the way that it is today. Like I said, we're going to take a look at it. Maybe look at the back seat here. Like I said, the back seat's just as nice as the front seat. All the carpet's good. Really nice Mustang floor mats. Good vintage style radio. Really good car. Can't even hear the motor. It sounds good, but it's quiet enough where you don't have to worry about it. All the trunk is good. All the jack, and it's got a special tool to remove the lug nuts off the wheel inside that rag right there. All of the trunk is good, really solid. Underneath, just as solid as the top. Windows roll down excellent. Very easy to roll up and down. Very free. Door panel's good. It's not full of Bondo. Seat, it's really good. Horn works good. Got really nice gauge cluster. Back seat, like I said, looks good. Take a look at the motor, and then we will show you how easy it is to take down the top. Ease up here to the motor. Take a look at it. Really clean, really good motor. Power steering, power brakes, just like everybody wants on their classic car. Shut this hood down. We're going to show you how easy it is to take down the top. First step is to turn on the car. Second step is to unlatch this lever right here. Second step is to unlatch that lever right there. In the middle, you'll see that there's a top button. All you do is you press it, and it just comes down just as free, just as easy as ever. Very easy to put the top down. And then you just flip your levers over. Make sure that your pins don't come out. And then you have a convertible. Top down, wind blowing through your hair. '70 Mustang Convertible coming at you.